I left my job. Seeing the things in future state, it is the map of belief in your mind. Please appreciate the role of others. Vision will make you stronger.
Hello everyone, I am Anjali Jadiwal, Managing Director Team 360. I would like invite DD sir to enlighten you about the concept of vision. Indian people are very laborious, good work, but they cannot be rich because they do not have vision. The concept at vision is very useful to you, so enjoy the discourse. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, I am DD Sharma, CEO and Chairman Team 360. I also have been spiritual healer of elevated class, and I also worked in government service for 32 years as a senior officer, and I have been transferred to many dignified posts and I worked there very well. Okay, then after I left my job, I took VRS and started a company to make aware about the motivation and inspiration of the people at large. Particularly, we work for youngsters so that they can make their personality, they can make their character in better way. Okay, now I first of all extend my thanks to Anjali ma'am for inviting me for this session, and second, I also extend my thanks to Hema ma'am for digital support. Yes, today I would like to enlighten about the paradigm of the vision. Vision, you know what is vision? Vision, just you see the power of your eyes, okay? That is vision. People say your vision is poor, your vision is stronger. Okay, vision means to see the things in this universe, okay? But here vision means seeing the things in future state. What would be your image in future is known as vision. How you imagine your future about, that is known as vision. Vision means applied imagination, okay? Vision means what you like to achieve in future. What is your goal? What is your dream? What is your purpose in the life? And what are your plans for the life is known as vision. Okay? Vision. Now what is vision paradigm? Vision paradigm means if you don't have vision, then what would happen? You will feel victimized. You feel miserably. You feel humiliated. You feel pitiable, you feel poorer yourself, you feel diseased yourself, you feel mentally disturbed. But the reverse is what the greater line is, what the golden opportunity just against it, that is known as vision. Vision means you have a clear cut goal, you have clarity about your destination, you can see with your own eyes what you would be after 10 years, 15 years, in like a blueprint. You know, when a building is constructed, first of all you plan out and then you make a blueprint, and after blueprint, illiterate people, uneducated people also make the building. So what is that? The blueprint is first creation for your building. In the similar way, what is vision? Vision is first creation of your future, of your destiny. Okay? So, through VPT, we would like to explain all these things, that what is the paradigm of vision. Paradigm is nothing but maps of your faith, your beliefs. That is only known as paradigm. Paradigm is a big word, very scientific word, very managerial word, very important word. But for the sake of you, for the sake of an ordinary person, it is the map of belief in your mind about anything. That is known as paradigm. If you would like to increase your performance 10 or 15%, you can change your behavior, you can put more efforts for this work to be done, you change your attitude, then you will also try again, and you will achieve more performance. How much? 10 to 15%. But if you like to change your performance 50 times, Not only 15%, 50 times. If you like to become peak performer, then you have to upgrade your paradigm. You have to change your paradigm. Okay? When a child grown up and become young, and when younger one become adult, so this is known as the paradigm change. First he was a child, then he was a young adolescent. There is a big difference between two, remarkably difference, and then he is a adult, means more significant differences you may notice. Okay, then what is the paradigm of vision? First is paradigm vision means imagination. There are four powers given by divinity to you are very important. First is known as self-awareness. Self-awareness means you aware yourself. Close your eyes, see yourself, see your feet, see your hands, see yourself, see your body, all with your closed eye. You can see. It means you are not a body, but you are expecting your body, you watch your body. It means you are visualizer of your body. You are something else than your body. Okay? This power is known as self-awareness. This power is only given to human being, not to animals, not to any other, but only for human being this power is given. Through this power, you can see your what? Neuro patterns, thoughts, so that you can change your thoughts which are negative. You can put your positive thoughts in your brain. So neuro pattern can be changed. Or what is the neuro pattern? Neuro pattern is your destiny. So if you change your neuro patterns, you change your destiny. Okay. Then second is imagination. First is power of awareness, second imagination, third is conscious, and fourth is independent will. These four big powers are given to human being. Okay, so imagination means to imagine the things for your future. But here vision means applied imagination, not imaginary imagination, but applied imagination means you imagine and write down in your notebook that this is my goal. When you have written the goals, then you have picturized the goal, then it is known as blueprint. So blueprint is a real thing, but didn't come into physical shape. Okay. Then seeing the future state. Third, all things created twice. This is very important as far as vision is concerned. What is everything or all thing in this world created twice, means first created at the mental level. Just you like to make this building, then first you plan it, and then you make a map on a paper, and then you finally make the blueprint of the. So blueprint, what is blueprint? Blueprint is mental creation, or this is known as first creation. This is very important. This is the power given to you. But people do not take responsibility to make this first creation. Okay? Then they leave it for other peoples to make their first creation, or the past events will create first creation, or the other people's agenda you will accept as your first creation. So discard all these and make your own first creation. It means mentally you prepare that I would like these things and write on the notebook that this is my first creation. So this you have already made all things. You have made and created first thing already. So you have to now change. So this change of first creation is known as rescripting. You change your script as already written by other people, and past and circumstances, you discard it and make it a new, and this is known as rescripting. If you take the rescripting, means you are reprogramming your software, your subconscious mind, and when you reprogram, means you would like achieve those things which you desired one. Okay. Then the next is first creation is like dreams, goals, plans, and desires, etc. Okay, now we see the next. This is the paradigm of vision is blueprint. Just I have told when you applied vision, okay, then you write your desires in a notebook and then you think and think and finally you can, these are the things I would like in my life. I will say, so this is known as blueprint. Now this is known as blueprint. So you should do work according to your blueprint. Okay, then not fantasies. Yes, first creation or blueprint is not fantasy, not imaginary. These are real things, but still didn't come in physical world. Okay, and then the reality not came into the physical form. And last is affirm yourself and affirm others. Please appreciate the role of others. Please accept the worthiness of others. Please accept the worth and potential of others. They can do also. You know, in Eastern countries, what would happen? People say Namaskar, means they join their two hands, Namaskar, in a V-shaped form. So it is said that I salute the worth and potential in you. I salute the divinity in you. So giving respect to the other people by doing Namaskar. Okay? In the similar way, now I have written 12 books and also published and also are available on Flipkart and Amazon. Out of them, one book is Become Midbrain Activation Professional. This book is very, very interesting and effective book. If you read it and you internalize it, you can change your mindset and you become a midbrain activated people. Midbrain activation is also known as third eye activation. So I just tell you what is third eye activation and midbrain activation. And this book is very important. Pages, I think 210 pages in this book. You can see it. What is the price? Price is 1100 rupees. Okay. So the bank detail and QR code is given on the screen. You can deposit the amount and you can bring this book. When your amount is deposited through QR code or any other method in our bank account, and then send the screenshot, so we will send this book to you through courier. Okay. Now we say that crown, energy point and third eye point. What are these? Just I told about the concept of vision, applied imagination. Applied imagination starts from your third eye and crown energy point. Okay, these things are known as mystic things. Okay, some people say it is spiritual, but I don't agree that they are spiritual one, but they are mystic, magical. I know. Third eye is also known as midbrain activation. Okay, in small boys we do the classes of midbrain activation. Results are very attractive. People are enlightening their hidden potential, hidden caliber, and hidden their talents. Okay, so if you aware about third eye point and crown point, and you awaken third eye point, that is Agya Chakra also, and crown chakra means Sahasrara Chakra. If you open these, strengthen these, and awaken these, and balance them, then what would happen? First of all, you won't be victimized. Instead of victimized, you will become visionary. Okay? This is a drastic change. 360-degree change. Okay? From victimization to vision. Vision is a positive thing. Vision will make you stronger. Vision will make you achiever. Vision will make you accomplished. Vision will make you peak performer. And while victimization makes you poorer, then next we see laziness turns into disciplined. People are although lazy or comfortable, okay, but when your third eye and crown chakras enlightened, strengthened, balanced, and awakened, then what would happen? You become disciplined. When you become disciplined, means you can be achiever, you can be winner, you can be peak performer, you can be accomplished, you can be progressing remarkably. So the sudden change, this change is known as paradigm change. So I told you the paradigm of vision. Then third is social pressure ridden people turns into passionate. Passionate means energetic. Passionate means enthusiastic, encouraged, motivated, inspired people. Okay? So you can be peak performer. So in your life, you would like to be healthy, you would like to be happy, you would like to be peak performer. Then third eye activation is very, very beneficial to you. Crown energy point activation is very, very beneficial to you. And then fourth and last one is the self-interested people driven by their self-interest will be conscious driven. It means people who are poverty striken, people who are diseased, people who are poor, people who are lazy, but they can turn into active people, smart people, enthusiastic people, passionate people, and people's giving contribution to the society. And people, such people are known as conscious driven people, trustworthy people. Society can have trust on such peoples that these people are contributing to the society significantly. Okay? So I organize 3 days workshop, in which workshop I teach all these things. First, what is the paradigm vision? And second, what are the methods of awareing and awakening of your third eye and crown chakra, okay? And then I give healing power to you and then blessing power to you. And one more thing, first day I teach that is activation of your habits, cultivation of good habits, so that you can make your life disciplined, enthusiastic, and conscious driven. Okay? Now WhatsApp icon is given. You push the button, click the button, and join our WhatsApp community. And WhatsApp number are also given on screen, so you can contact for our workshop also. So be prepared to attend the workshop, and thank you very much. I congratulate in advance you for coming into our workshops and make your life significant, meaningful. Thank you very much.